I want to say that Champion Plumbing is great. I highly recommend them. They have a lot of integrity, great service.
We're very pleased with the service given to us by Champion Plumbing.
They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
Gracias, señor.
You're welcome.
And I'm really pleased, and I thought it's extremely reasonable.
I just had Champion Plumbing do work for me, and the service and the quality was outstanding.
Everything terrific, came on time, finished the job, everything was fantastic.
Very grateful to have experts on hand.
Not hesitate to recommend them to friends.
Champion Plumbing, great job. Got out here quick, did a fantastic job. Everything is super. I'm extremely pleased.
Thank you.
Use them again.
Your great service, and it was efficient and clean and expedient.
An excellent job.
Give us a call.